P1404 exhaust gas recirculation EGR closed position performance. This code is related to the EGR system, which recirculates a portion of exhaust gases back into the intake to reduce combustion temperatures and lower nitrogen oxides emissions. The closed position performance part means the computer is monitoring whether the EGR valve is actually closing fully when commanded. When the code sets, it indicates that the EGR valve may not be reaching its fully closed position, or the sensor that monitors the valve position is reporting values outside the expected range. This can cause rough idle, decreased performance, or higher emissions. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, inspect the EGR valve itself. Make sure it isn't stuck open or partially clogged with carbon buildup. On many engines, the EGR valve can become sluggish from soot and exhaust deposits, preventing it from fully closing. Second, check the EGR position sensor if the valve is equipped with one. This sensor communicates the valve's actual position to the computer. A faulty sensor can falsely indicate that the valve isn't closing. Third, inspect the EGR vacuum lines or electronic control wiring. Cracked, disconnected, or leaking vacuum lines can prevent a vacuum-operated EGR valve from closing. For electronically controlled valves, check the wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Fourth, examine the intake and exhaust passages for carbon buildup. Severe carbon deposits can physically prevent the valve from closing fully, even if the valve itself is working. Fifth, verify operation with a scan tool if possible. You can command the EGR valve closed and monitor the position sensor reading to confirm whether it reaches the correct range. A good general order when diagnosing P1404 would be: inspect the EGR valve for carbon buildup or sticking, check the EGR position sensor, inspect vacuum lines or wiring, verify passages are clean, and test valve operation with a scan tool. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a sticking EGR valve, carbon buildup in the intake/exhaust passages, or a faulty position sensor. That's pretty much it for this one.